Hi everyone, this is Susan. Welcome to week 9. So we're really in the home stretch of the course, which is, I'm sure, very exciting for you, and it is for me too. You guys have done a lot of really hard work, and now we're going to be using these last 2 weeks to really bring it all together. You have your final post that you're going to be doing. You are still working on, getting all of your content properly formatted. I think the one thing you can definitely say you learned about blogging is that there's a lot of details and it's a lot of work. So we're not quite done with the details. So there's a couple of things I want to review with you this week. So the first thing is it's going to be on I'm just on my demo site, in your customize menu. Go into your customize menu and then you see content options. So this is just all of these, your options that you have to like what you're going to show along with your posts. You can have the display date, you can certainly do that or not. Then there's display categories, display tags, display author. You do not need to display author. You're the author. You don't have this is not a multiple person blog, at least not right now, so you don't need that. These I just leave checked. Now the ones that I do want you to make sure you do check are display categories and display tags. Now you might not love the way this looks on your blog, but after the course is over, and if you want to keep, go back to your blog and work on it, you can certainly uncheck them, and then your tags and your categories won't show. The categories and tags really are for me, so that I can see that you've done your categories and your tags. So that's one detail that we want to address. And now the other detail I want to address are widgets. So widgets are these are little add-on features that you can use to further customize your blog. So they're found under the Customize menu. Just choose your widgets. Now, here's the thing to understand about widgets. Where your widgets will appear, okay, depends on your theme. So in this theme, they're only in the footer. Okay, and I don't love that. I mean, this is just a demo site. It's not like my real site, but so for my real site, I would definitely want a sidebar. So it will tell you, so it would say sidebar and then footer 1, footer 2. So it will show you where the areas are when you activate them. But the first one that comes up is your main one. So these are the widgets that I already have at least activated, and as you see, they're all down here. Right now, especially when it comes to images, a lot of people do prefer to have the widgets on the sidebar, and I agree, I think that looks better. But let's just look at the choices. So you certainly do not have to add tons of widgets at all. You can't add video because you have to be upgraded. I believe audio and video you have to upgrade, I think, before you can launch the player. But you can certainly and very easily activate your follow button, the follow button, and that just lets people very easily follow your blog. So you do need to activate that. You should have that. And then you have a choice. You could do a gallery of images. You can certainly do a collage pretty easily. You can do one image, and you can also do your a text. So a text widget is really handy. So it's probably it's very important. It's actually very it's a very popular widget. So it's where if you go onto a blog or someplace and you see like a welcome message, like, hi, I am Karen and this is my blog, blah, blah, blah. That's a text widget. So it stays on, it appears on the home page. In some themes, it's on every page and it's there. And so this is a good idea if you have a topic or a title where you want to give a little bit more clarification about what the blog content is going to be about, or just to provide a welcome, like, hi, I'm Susan, and I'm really happy that you're here. Please look around, or you could point someone to, please read this one first, or, please, read my about page, learn more about me, and blah, blah, blah. You can certainly do your social media icons. This is something that you absolutely would do if you were really blogging and you wanted to really promote your blog, but you have to link up your accounts in order to do that. The cool thing that a lot of people do like to do is they like to display their Instagram feed on the page. Now again, it kind of having it on the bottom, I don't think would be that interesting, but for like a sidebar widget, that might be nice. And you can do the same with Twitter, I believe. Yeah, Twitter. You can do your Twitter timeline. Facebook, you used to be able to do it pretty easily, but now you need like a plugin. So I'm not really sure about the Facebook. Again, most students really choose, they really use their Instagram, if anything. So just to sum up, you definitely want to activate your follow button. And you can put a follow button, like let's say you have like a sidebar and a footer, you can put them in both. There's nothing wrong with doing that. But you only want to have one main text widget and one image. So you have to have the follow button, and then you have to have one additional widget activated and filled in. So it could be an image, it could be your Instagram, it could be text widget, whichever you choose. Okay? So let me know if you have any questions, and I'm really excited to be checking in and see what you guys are doing on your blogs. Oh, don't forget though, when you activate a widget, you have to go back and publish it first. Okay, talk to you soon.